Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of SMOPS Commonly Tested Questions. I'm Mr. Zhang from Coco Education. Right. So in this video, we will discuss some questions on the topics of distance, speed, and time. So let's take a look at the first question. It's from 2022 SMOPS. So we know that Abel is traveling from A to B, Ben is traveling from B to A. They travel towards each other. Speed of Abel is 1.5 times of Ben. So because they started at the same time, and when they meet each other, they finish at the same time. So we can compare the speed ratio and the distance ratio. From here, we can see that speed ratio is 1.5:1. So simplest ratio is 3:2. Since they travel the same amount of time, so distance is in the same ratio. Distance ratio is 3:2. Let's say 3U and 2U. Yeah. So we draw a diagram. The CTA, CTB, and this is the midpoint. So here we know that Abel traveled 3 units. Ben traveled 2 units. And they are 18 km away from the midpoint. So this part is 18. So we know that Abel traveled 18 km more than half. So 3U minus 18 equals to half of the total distance. For Ben, this is 18 less than half. So 2U plus 18 also give us half of AB. So rearrange it, plus 18 on both sides. 3U equals to 2U plus 36. So 1U equals to 36. Total distance is 3U plus 2U, 5 units. So it goes to 5 times 36, goes to 180. So this is 180 km. So second question is from the year 2018. Now A and B, they are running on a straight 100-meter track. So A needs 15 seconds to cross to the other side, and B needs 20 seconds. They are running at a constant speed. So how many times will they pass each other in 2 minutes? Right, so 2 minutes converted into seconds, this is 120 seconds. So for this question, we don't have to find out the exact time where they pass each other. We just have to find how many times in total. So we can use a diagram to solve it. Let's say these two straight lines, they represent the two sides of the running track. So here I'll write down the time. So starting time is 0 second. Cross to the other side. So this is at 15 seconds. Then cross back. So it's at 30 seconds. To the other side, another 15 seconds. So this is 45. Then followed by 60. 75. 90. And plus 15 again, 105. Then eventually 120. Then we check for B. So starting point is the same. Now B takes 20 seconds. So this is between 15 and 30. Then cross back plus 20 again, this at 40. Back to the other side, plus 20 again, this is 60. So plus 20 now is at 80. Then plus 20 again, this is 100. So in the end is 120 seconds. So we can just find the intersection points between the blue line and the red line. Those are the positions where they pass each other. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So altogether, they meet each other 7 times. Right. So the third question is from the year 2021. So in this one, they are running on a circular track. They start from the opposite end of the circular track. There's Louis start from A, Sebastian start from B. So first time, Louis traveled clockwise. Sebastian is anti-clockwise. So here Sebastian has traveled 100 meters. Now they continue to travel. So when they meet each other for the second time, it says that Louis is 60 meters away from completing his first leg. So this distance is, just right here, this part is 60. Right, let's check. First time when they meet each other, so they traveled half of the circumference together. Here's the distance traveled by two of them when they first meet each other. So together is half of circumference. And then we know Sebastian traveled 100 meters. Then let's check the second time where they meet each other. So first we check the total distance traveled by them. Right, this is half of circumference. This is the second half, and this is the third half. So together they traveled 3/2 of circumference. There's 3 semicircles. So total distance is 3 times before. It means that each person traveled 3 times the distance before. So Sebastian is 100 times 3 equals to 300. And we check it from our diagram. So in this diagram, this part is 300. And you can see this is 60 meters, more than half of the circumference. So 300 minus 60. We find out that this part is 240, where this part is 60. Total is 300. So 240 is half of circumference. The circumference is 240 times 2. The answer is 480. Thank you for watching. So I'll see you for the next video.